Hello, everyone. Mr. Carnegie here with a lesson on multiplying multi-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. Now, standard algorithm is basically when we line our numbers up vertically on top of each other. For example, we're going to work with the problem 325 times 46. All right. So when I go to work this problem out, I'm going to line it up vertically. I'm going to put my bigger number on top, my smaller number right there beneath it. So it'll look something like this. Okay. Now, when I'm doing my standard algorithm, I always start with my bottom right number, which is in the 1 spot. I multiply it times my 5, my 2, and my 3 in that order. All right, so 6 times 5 is 30. I put my 0 here. I carry my 3 over to the next section. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. My 5 goes here. I carry my 1 to the next section. And now I got 6 times 3, which is 18. And 18 plus 1 gives me 19. So my 9 goes here. Being I don't have any other numbers to carry my 1 to, I'll go ahead and put my 1 below. So now I'm done with my 6 multiplying by my top row. So now I'm going to put a line through my 6 that lets me know I don't need that 6 anymore. I'll do the same thing to the numbers I carried over up top. Lets me know I don't need those numbers anymore. Now, I do the same thing, but first, before I start multiplying 4 times my 5, 2, and 3, I drop a 0 down here in the 1 spot. The reason I drop a 0 in the 1 spot before I multiply my 4 is because a 4 is in the tens place. So a 0 goes here as a placeholder. Now I can begin to multiply 4 times 5, which is 20. So a 0 goes here. A 2 carries over. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Another 0 goes here. And I carry my 1. And then 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 plus 1 is 13. So once again, I don't have no place to carry my 1, so I bring it down here with my other numbers. I put an add symbol, and now these numbers right here are called your partial products. These are numbers that we use to multiply when we did the individual numbers times our top row, and these are our partial products. Now we're going to add these together. It is extremely important that when you add, that all your numbers are in the proper place value, because if they are not, there is no chance you can get this problem correct. So now let's add. When we add, we always start from our 1s and work our way to the left. So 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 5 plus 0 gives me 5. 9 plus 0 gives me 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. And then 1 by itself, this comes down. Now, I got 14,950. Now, since this number is kind of long, there are certain places you put a comma. The comma goes starting from the back between every third and fourth number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So between numbers 3 and 4, I put a comma. So 1, 2, and no more commas are needed. So now the proper way to say this is 14,950. And that's how you would do a standard algorithm problem. 4. Now let's go through and do one more. This time we're going to do 678 times 39. Okay, now once again, we're doing standard. So I'm going to put my longer number up top. My smaller number goes down. My multiplication symbol and my line. Now I can begin. 9 times 8 is 72. So I'll put my 2 here. I carry my 7 over. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 7 gives me 70. So my 0 goes here. Once again, I carry my 7 over. And then 9 times 3 is 54, and 54 plus 7 is 61. Once again, I have no place to carry my 6, so I'm bringing it down as my first partial product. So I'm done with my 9, so I'm going to mark through it. I'm done with my 7 and done with this 7, so I'm marking through those so I don't confuse myself and add them to my products later. Now, before I multiply my 3 times my top row, once again, I'm going to drop that 0 as my placeholder. So 3 times 8 is 24. My 4 goes here. I carry my 2. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. My 3 goes here. I carry my 2 again. And 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 0 goes here. No place to carry my 2, so I bring it below. My add symbol, draw my line, and now I'm ready to add, once again, my 2 partial products. 0 plus 2 gives me 2. 0 plus 4 gives me 4. 1 plus 3 gives me 4. 6 plus 0, 0, and 2 by itself. I have 2. Once again, to where my comma goes, I count from the back. 1, 2, 3, comma, and it'll be 26,442. Now, just to be on the safe side, if you're not sure of your calculations when working out your problem on pencil and paper, you always can check your work using the calculator. So I'm going to put in my problem, 6, 7, 8 times 3, 9, and I get 26,442. The same as that number I got in my answer sheet, so I can be assured that my answer is right. Hope this video was helpful. In case you missed a step on your own work, please review this video as much as you need to until you understand the process of multiplying the standard algorithm with multi-digit numbers. I thank you for your time. You guys have a great day and enjoy.